Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Rahul Gandhi visited Goa thrice ahead of the assembly elections, once in October and twice in February. These visits were not more than a day-long event each. In October, Rahul held public meetings at Velsau and Bambolim. In February, he held public meetings in Sankheli, Kurchore and Kurtori. What is common among these places? Let's find out. Velsau is part of Kortali constituency where Congress candidate Olenso Simoes lost to independent candidate Antonio Vaz. Bambole is part of Santandre constituency where Congress candidate Anthony Fernandes lost to RGB candidate Viresh Borkar. Sankheli is the bastion of Chief Minister Pramod Sawant. Sawant won despite a tough battle with Congress candidate Dharmesh Saglani. Kurchore constituency Congress candidate Amit Patkar lost to incumbent MLA Nilesh Kabral. Kurtori constituency showed favour to former Congress MLA and independent candidate Alexio Reginaldo Lorenzo despite his bitter ties with the erstwhile party, while Congress candidate Moreno Rebelo lost. Evidence suggests that Congress lost all places where Rahul Gandhi held a mega public meet with people. Crowds strong to be part of these meetings, however, these crowds failed to convert to votes to guarantee victory for the Congress. Meanwhile, the Congress won in Mormugao constituency where Congress candidate Sankalp Amonkar defeated BJP candidate Milind Naik, where Rahul Gandhi had a door-to-door campaign.